Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. Well, Uber has just launched massive new rewards for drivers, big new perks, bonuses. We're gonna get into how you as a driver can get access to this. Now, I wanted to announce and tell you all that we now have a Rideshare University course that we have just launched. It's basically a members group. We have an awesome group chat. We have extra videos that we go in a lot more detail, exclusive content, and a whole lot more from some of the top drivers in America. So I'll have a link below. You can sign up, and there's a free trial if you want to sign up, and it's really, really cheap right now. It's $4.99 a month, but again, you can sign up for free with the free trial. And there's also exclusive opportunities for all of our members and a Discord which you can join in. And some of the bonuses like automatically pay for like several months. It's like, but anyway, so go check out Rideshare University down below and let's get started with the video. So Uber has just unveiled driver perks. This is coming through the form of a debit card. So yes, you need to get this debit card. By the way, this is Rideshare University. We worked really, really hard at it. We've been working on this for a really long time, so go check it out, link below. Uber has introduced a pair of features that said are designed to provide more flexibility and opportunities for the company's drivers, AKA you. By the way, guys, I'm getting my car fixed, so I should be back on the road soon. According to a Friday news release, the new features are known as upfront fares, which deals with the way drivers accept rides, and Trip Radar, which give drivers more option for choosing rides. Well, let's get into the driver bonuses, driver perks, driver rewards. Here we go. Both features are unique to the ride-hailing company. Uber CEO Dara Khosrowshahi said in the announcement. With upfront fares, we completely reimagined the way drivers accept rides, he said. Our new trip request screen makes it easier for drivers to decide if a trip is worth their time and effort, for providing all the details, including exactly how much they'll earn and where they're going upfront. So this means that if you opt into this, if you get access to this, you're gonna start making a lot more money because you can deny rides that, you know, are low paying and are in areas you don't wanna go to. Everybody knows where the good areas are. Everybody knows where the type of people, you know, are gonna tip the most. I know there's a big business center in my area. If I'm dropping somebody off, they're going to work, they probably make a ton of money. They're tipping me, and they also work in tech, so they understand, you know, how the app works. So this is Trip Radar, which lets drivers see a list of trips happening nearby. A list of trips, that's pretty cool. They continue to get individual ride requests, but this new feature, set to expand with upfront fares, lets them pick another trip that might be better to suit them. You actually get to hand pick a thing rides. That's like Instacart style. So let's get into the debit card. So there's an Uber debit card. Payments. Oh yeah, Uber said it's also working with MasterCard branch in Marquetta on a new Uber Pro debit card and checking account designed to help drivers save on gas, fees, and other expenses. The card lets drivers get cash back when they use it to pay for gas, with up to 7% back for the company's highest status drivers. 7%, my friends. Meaning you basically 7% off. So let's say, you know, here in Cali, gas is, you know, $6 a gallon. You're basically gonna end up be paying, what, times 0.93? You're gonna be saving 42 cents a gallon. That's crazy. Payments reported earlier this month that Uber had begun welcoming to its Uber Eats Pro rewards program, which gives them the option to include options to access free tuition for the employee or an eligible family member at Arizona State University online. Very, very cool. Card maintenance discounts. So yeah, there's a lot of really cool discounts and new rewards for if you can sign up for this Uber debit card. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. And please do yourself a favor, check out Rideshare University. We work really, really hard on this. You can get started, free trial 7 days, cancel at any time. We are literally putting our heart and souls into Rideshare University just as a way for drivers to get more information and really dive deeply into you know, how to actually get wealthy through the gig economy, because it's very possible to actually get rich, to turn your life around, get out of debt, pay off debt, achieve financial freedom. So many drivers are doing that. Join the community down below. And again, you can get started for free. Sign up for free for 7 days and cancel if you like. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching today's video, guys. I'll talk to you soon. You guys are great. Bye now.